Food Diary and tap on the bell icon so that you can receive my latest recipe notifications as and when I upload new recipes. Also tap on all and OK. Hello friends, welcome to Mom's Food Diary. Today I'll be showing you a authentic orange cake recipe. We have not used any orange flavor, we have used actual oranges. So let's prepare the orange cake recipe. So for that we need maida or refined wheat flour 250 grams. These are the 3 eggs we need, and we need about 150 grams of clarified butter or ghee. So these are the 2 oranges which we have used. We need 2 large oranges. Also watch this recipe till the end and also post your queries in the comments below. And we need salt as per taste. And we have not used sugar or jaggery, we have used brown sugar here. We need about 150 grams. I'll tell you how to use the orange juice in this recipe, and we need about 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. So let's prepare this recipe. This is a very authentic flavor orange cake. So we have taken 2 oranges and we have cut the one of the orange into half, and we need to extract the juice of one orange, and the other orange we need to cut into pieces and we have to use it. So we have made the juice of one of the oranges and we have to keep it, and the other orange we have to chop into pieces and we have to directly grind it so that the authentic flavor of the oranges comes into the cake and it enhances the recipe. It's actual orange cake. So we have added the chopped pieces of oranges into the mixer jar along with the eggs, and we have grinded the brown sugar. This is the brown sugar, we have grinded it and we need to add it in the mixer jar, and we need to add the baking powder also, and then we have to grind it so that the mixture gets mixed well. So after adding baking powder we need to grind it along with the salt, and this is the clarified butter or the ghee. We need to add ghee and we need to grind it for 3 to 4 seconds, and we need to pour the grinded mixture into the bowl. And now we have to add the large ingredient, which is the maida or refined wheat flour. So as we are adding the maida, we need to stir it so that there are no lumps formation into the mixture. So we have added the maida or the refined wheat flour into the bowl, and now we have to completely mix it so that it gets mixed properly into the mixture. We need to keep this mixture aside for 30 minutes. So please try this recipe and comment us below. This is the actual orange flavor cake. So as you can see, we have mixed it. Now we have to add the one orange juice which we have extracted. We need to add the orange juice in this mixture so that it gets to the bottom of the bowl, and then we need to keep it for 30 minutes. Half an hour we have to keep it aside. We have to mix it properly and then we have to keep it for 30 minutes. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Mom's Food Diary for all the food updates. So we need to keep it aside for 30 minutes. This is a actual authentic orange flavor cake. You will love the taste of oranges into the cake. So our mixture is ready. Now we have to take the cake vessel, and we have applied ghee all over it so that the cake doesn't stick, and we need to pour the cake mixture into the cake vessel. And on the other hand, we have heated a cooker and we have placed salt at the bottom of the cooker. The flame will be full below. We have to heat it properly, and we have kept a stand so that the cake vessel goes on top of it, and we need to place the cake vessel into the cooker now. So once we place it, we need to cook for 10 minutes, the initial 10 minutes on full flame and the remaining 30 minutes on medium flame. This is a very important thing to note. The initial 10 minutes will be on full flame and the remaining 30 minutes will be on medium flame. Total will be 40 minutes. So our cake is completely ready. As you can see, it has cooked well, the color and also the taste. So once it is cooled off, then we will be removing the cake from the cake vessel. This is a very delicious and easy actual orange authentic cake. So as you can see, we have removed it from the cake vessel, and further we'll be cutting it into pieces before serving it. So our cake is ready. Do try this recipe, like it and share it with your family and